You've just received an invitation to LT. In your invitation email, you will find a Confirm Invitation link. Select this link to be taken to your account activation page. Select Create Account. Your email address automatically becomes your login, which you will use for all of your courses. Choose and confirm a password, then select Create Account. After reading the Terms of Service, select Accept. You should now see your LT instance homepage with your Account Options menu in the top right. All courses you have access to are listed here in the sidebar. The privileges you have in LT depend on the role you've been assigned. Those with the greatest privileges, instance administrators, have access to all courses and have the option to edit instance settings and create new courses.